What happens when you bring together some of our favorite RV content creators for an unforgettable weekend in the heart of Kentucky? In this video, we're taking you along to the incredible RV rally in London, Kentucky.
Hey, look what a beautiful day it is. We're getting ready to leave for the London, Kentucky rally, and we're looking so forward to it.
We will see you soon.
Yes. Look who's ready.
We stayed at the Farm RV Resort right here in London, Kentucky. And let me tell you, this place is an absolute hidden gem. They have truly upgraded the Kentucky camping experience with top-tier amenities designed for big rigs and casual campers alike. Over 150 generously sized level campsites featuring premium concrete pads. Full hookups, complete with water, sewer, electric. There is a sparkling swimming pool with a water slide, a modern playground, a half basketball court, and brand new pickleball courts.
Denver, is this going to be another day that you don't want to walk? Huh?
Every day is a day he doesn't want to walk.
Yeah, he's a porch sitter, not a walker.
Yeah, I like sitting on the front porch watching the sunset.
We're here. We're Annie and Denver. Wonderful treat bags. How sweet. You guys are so nice to make these treat bags for everyone.
Tina and I head down to the pavilion to register, meet up with some old friends, and pick up our goodie bags.
Welcome to the RVing in London Rally 2026.
There's always a group going the wrong way. No, not gonna. Lock them in.
Stop. Get the little beeper out. We'll have to get the little beeper out. Okay, they don't want to meet yet.
Oh.
Hey guys.
Morning.
All right, so this is a breaker box. That's a kind of a typical breaker box.
Me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. I never really cared until I met you. The girls, they wanna have fun. You can change the tunes. You can change the working man.
Look at all those yummy desserts. Look at all this yummy food. Man, when the RV community comes together, man, we know how to. Yeah, that's for sure.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm Mike.
Okay, and
Mike Conifer.
okay, I see.
Like, how are you? I was like, where's your dress?
It wouldn't fit.
And there's my
You had
spouse.
one?
No, I didn't have one.
I was like, wait a minute.
No, you know what he said? If I got dressed up like you, should I wear a pair of sweatpants?
That's just rude. Rude, I tell you.
Shorts.
Hi,
Nice to meet you.
who are you?
Chris. My name's Chris with White Wait.
And
Josh.
Josh.
Rugged Red.
Okay, nice to meet you guys.
Right there in the skirt.
Hi, Megan.
Doing good.
Is her dress just beautiful?
It's beautiful, yes.
So, we're at the cookout here, that's the pitch-in at the London Rally. And it's very nice. There's a lot of good food over there. And some of the dishes were dishes. Oh, they're so beautiful.
It's just as your spouse night.
What?
It's just as your spouse night.
That's right. I'm Tina. See right here? I'm Tina, and this is my husband, David. And we're here, we're having our pitch-in dinner. So I'm standing in the shade right now because it's hot out. Okay, well, we're gonna get in line here shortly. Goodbye.
Angela, will you just send me this? Because I'm kind of involved.
And you are?
Chain care pool.
Take care, pool. All right. Swapping.
We are clinically insane.
Bethany and Rob are over there.
Right.
And I'm Sonia, and my husband chickened out.
Oh, I see. But you're up here. You're
Yes, I
brave.
am.
You got it. Hi. We know them. You gonna do it just in case?
Cody, Jared.
Who you are?
Oh yeah, I'm David. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm David.
I'm Tina.
One more here.
Mike Comfort here.
Mark.
Get tough or die.
I love it.
The Jenkins.
I'm gonna get my hair out of the way.
I love the Jenkins.
I know.
Get my hair out of the way. Get
And one more. We gotcha. And your names, please?
Robin and Kevin.
Robin and Kevin. Do you have a channel or anything?
We do not.
Okay. I missed you. Introduce you.
What?
Do it. Got your rag.
I think I'm gonna go wash my
Okay, is
truck.
everybody up there?
I like it. Do a little
And then I'm
wax.
gonna wash my truck again.
Yeah, I like it.
Chris, Katrina, and Angela. All right, you're gonna help me judge this crowd noise, okay? We're gonna start down on the left down here with the first couple down here. Okay, if you like them the best, you think they should win? All right, let's hear it. Let's hear a round of applause. Okay, couple number 2, right in front of me. Okay. Bad. Moving along, we have couple number 3. If you want them to win, let's hear it. Hold on. We have a single, I'm sorry. Yeah, I think you guys are standing too close. Okay, we have a single, so let's hear it. If this is... Okay, couple number 4 right here. If you like them, let's hear it. Pretty good. Okay, right here, I believe it's half of the Converse. Let's hear it if you like this costume right here.
Yeah!
Okay, next, go over here, Waggin red, RV Solar, Amber and Josh, let's hear it. At the very end over here, if you like their costume, go ahead, let's hear it. Chris, what do you think, guys? I'm maybe feeling the last couple in here, but do we need to do a sound off of those two?
I think they're on the right track.
Okay, let's go with that. Okay. I think that's RV Waggin Tails. You want to step there we go. Okay, ladies, for the last couple on the far end over there, if you guys think they should win best costume, go ahead. What you think? Did you do right here? I did do it first. Do we need to do it again?
One more time.
One more time. RV Waggin Tails, let's hear it. Okay, and for the couple on the far end over here, let's hear it. Okay, then I think we got our winners on the far end over here. I think we're going to do a $200 gift certificate for RV Snapback product.
Saturday night, and we brought the pups down. I hope this turns out on audio, but I think they're enjoying the music. I really do. Check this out.
just a minute. I am gonna get one.
I'm David. I'm Brian. And we are going to do a quick, well, I guess the clean word would be we're going to blow our train horns. And we're going to kind of see which ones are louder.
Is there a handshake that goes along with this?
Yeah. May the best blower win. All right.
Your idea. I'll let you go first.
Okay.
Oh, no. Okay, here we go.
Heads up! Fire in the hole!
Want a vote? Oh, come on. Second place again?
Give it, David! David, give it all you got! Give it all you got! I mean, come on now. Shake each other's hands. Good job. We got one more in the mix.
So tonight is adult beverage night here at the London Rally. Everybody brought in something. It's right up there. It's all kinds of stuff. We brought wine tonight and gonna have a really good time. This has been a lot of fun. This has been a really good time. And I told all of the channels that were hosting how much fun this has been. It hasn't been like overworked with like things to do. We have plenty of rest time. So kudos to these guys for pulling this off. They sold the entire RV park out in like minutes when they announced this. So if they have another one, I can clearly see us going to another one. Whether it's here in London, Kentucky or not, I don't know. But I don't know. We might travel and see it. Anyway, just wanted to kind of show this, and I'll show you what the booze they brought. I'm gonna need to see your ID.
Really serious.
I got an ID for you.
Oh yeah.
That works.
That yeah. I get shown that ID a lot.
I have gray hair.
That doesn't count. No.
Timberin suspension upgrade. Logan Knight. Logan Knight. Okay, wash and wax all kit. A wash and wax all kit. Okay, Logan, go ahead and pull the ticket out of there. We know nobody's bought you off yet. You can't trust nobody. Okay, we have the Necto, basically a temperature and humidity sensor, almost like a pet monitor system. This was donated by RV Waggin Tails. So we're gonna open that one up. Angela, why don't you go ahead and do this one? Why don't you pull out the lucky winner here? Okay, it looks like maybe just the last name. McNichol. McNichol.
Peace of mind is everything. That's why we love the Necto device. For us, it's all about protecting our dogs, whether we're away from the rig or fast asleep. Necto gives us total security, knowing that exact temperature and getting instant alerts if there's a power failure. No worrying about the pups getting overheated, just pure freedom.
And we want to give a big thank you to Necto for contributing this device for the London RV Rally this year.
So if you're ready to protect your pets and rig, click the link below for your exclusive discount.
Okay guys, the e-bike, is there any... There's not too many tickets in this one. I don't think too many people wanted this one. There's only a few. Site 49, Annie and Eileen. Eileen? Oh, we went over this. The one person who won the e-bike left. Nope, that is perfectly fine. They got it. Yes. You will be the talk of the campground when this gets out there. It's for charity. Guys, come on, we're at 950. Do I gotta say 950 going once? 1,000! 1,000 right there. 1,050. Guys, this is getting serious. 1,050. Hey, let's keep it small. Let's keep it small. How about 1,060? That's $10 more. 1,300. I might have to take another back here. We're up to 1,350 in the back. 1,350. Anybody want to do 1,375? 1,375. Going once. Going twice. Come on, guys. 1,400. That's amazing. It's for such an awesome cause. 1,400. Guys, I'm doing 1,400 going once. 1,425. 1,425. 1,425. 1,425 going once. 1,425 going twice. 1,425 going 3 times. Sold. Waggin RVers, Waggin will be solar. Amber, come on up here. We'll get your information. That's awesome. That's going to put us at almost $4,000.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next adventure. And as always, happy and safe travels.